we are Aaron and Sandy Allnutt with the Allnutt Group at the agency, introducing 536 Culpepper Road in Ashland Park in desirable 40502. This home features a tree-lined private backyard close to UK, Romany restaurants and shops, close to Ecton Park and several schools.
This charming 1.5-story home has over 4,200 finished square feet, including the basement. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, hardwood floors, 4 fireplaces, and a great open floor plan you'll enjoy entertaining in. It also has a bedroom and a full bathroom on the first floor.